Hello guys, welcome back to Formfully. Previously we have covered basic OOPS MCQs and polymorphism MCQs. In this video we are covering encapsulation MCQs. So let's get started with the first question. What is encapsulation in Java? A process of making a class abstract, a process of wrapping data, that is variables and code methods, into a single unit, a process of creating multiple instances of a class, a process of defining constructors for a class. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and code into a single unit known as class. This hides the internal implementation details of a class from the outside, providing data protection and control access to a class attributes and method. Option 1 is incorrect, as encapsulation is not about making a class abstract. Option 3 is incorrect because encapsulation does not relate to creating instance of a class. Option 4 is incorrect, as encapsulation is not about defining constructor. So option 2 is correct. Moving to the next question. Which access modifier can be used to implement encapsulation in Java? Options are public and protected, private and default, static and final, abstract and synchronize. Encapsulation is typically achieved in Java by using private access modifier for data member and providing public methods, that is getter and setter, to access and modify these data members. This ensures that data is encapsulated within the class and only controlled access is allowed. Option 1, that is public and protected, is incorrect, as public and protected would expose data directly. Static and final are not primarily related to encapsulation. Abstract and synchronize are unrelated to encapsulation. So option 2 is correct. Moving to the next question. Which keyword is used to create a getter method in Java? Options: get, set, this, private. The get keyword is commonly used to create getter method in Java. As you know, getter method are used to retrieve the values of private data members. Option 2, that is set, is incorrect. As you know, set is used to create setter method. Option 3, this, is used to refer to the current instance of an object. So option 3 is incorrect. Option 4, that is private, is access modifier, not used to create getter method. Moving to the snippet question. Here what will be the output of this code? Options are name alias, name, compilation error, runtime error. I will suggest first stop the video or pause the video for first thing what will be the output of this code. I hope you are ready with your answer. The correct option is name alias, because let's see the code first. Here we have student class and class with private name instance variable, correct, and they have two methods for setting and getting name, right, this and this. Okay. In the main class we have main method. We create a student object named student. First we set the name of the student object to alias using set name method, correct, and then we print the name using get name method, which return alias. So here name alias correct option, because we are setting the name to alias and then retrieving it. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a benefit of encapsulation in Java? Options are improve code organization and readability, enhance security by preventing unauthorized access to data, greater flexibility in method overriding, controlled access to data and method. While encapsulation provides many benefits, it does not directly impact overriding and flexibility in method overriding. Encapsulation is primarily focused on protection and control access. Option A, B and D is benefit of encapsulation. So option 3 is correct here. Moving to the next question. What is the purpose of setter method in encapsulation? Options are to initialize the object of a class, to provide control access to class fields, that is variable for reading, to provide control access to class field for modification, to define the class constructor. A setter method in encapsulation is used to provide control access to class fields for modification. It allows you to set or change the values of private fields. Option A is incorrect because initializing the object is not the primary purpose of setter. Option B is incorrect as that's the purpose of getter, not a setter. Option 4 is incorrect as defining the class constructor is different concept. So option 3 is correct. Next question. Which keyword is used to declare a variable as constant in Java? Options are static, final, const, private. The final keyword is used to declare a variable as a constant in Java. Constants, once assigned a value, cannot be modified. Static is incorrect because doesn't make a variable constant. Const is not a keyword in Java for declaring constant. Private is access modifier, not used for declaring constant. So option 2 is correct. Next snippet question. What will be the output of this code? So here are the options for this code. I will suggest first pause the video and think about the option. I hope you have found the correct option. The correct option is balance 500 because let's see the code. Here we have bank account class with private balance instance variable, right? And we have 3 methods for depositing, for withdrawing, and for getting balance. Okay. In main class, main method, we create a bank account object, name account. We deposit 1000 into account using deposit method, which increases balance to 1000, right? And then we withdraw 500 from the account using withdraw method, which checks if amount is less than or equal to balance. In this case, it is so 500 is deducted from the balance. Finally, we print the output balance using getBalance method, which returns 500. So the correct option is 500. Next question. Which of the following statement is true regarding encapsulation and inheritance in Java? Encapsulation and inheritance are mutually exclusive concepts. Inheritance allows for control access to class fields and methods. Encapsulation is only useful when inheritance is not employed. Encapsulation can be used to hide the implementation details of a class, while inheritance is used to create a new class based on an existing class. Here option 4 is correct because it shows the definition of encapsulation and inheritance, as encapsulation used to hide implementation details of a class. Inheritance is used to create new class based on an existing class. Option 1 is incorrect because encapsulation and inheritance can coexist. Option 2 is incorrect as inheritance does not inherently provide control access to class fields and methods. Option 3 is incorrect because encapsulation is useful in both cases, with or without inheritance. So option 4 is correct. Moving to the next snippet question. What will be the output of this code? Options are as follows. I will suggest first pause the video and think about the answer. I hope you are ready with your answer. Here the correct option is compilation error, cannot access private member directly. So let's see the code. In the main class, main method, we are trying to access and assign values to name and salary, right? Here name and salary, fields of employee class directly, right? We are directly fetching name and salary which are in the employee class, and in the employee class, name and salary is in private. So if instance is in private, so we cannot access that instance in the other class. So that's why it will show compilation error.